This performance is to show the entire history of Orange Mound and bring it up to date and show how important it was in the past and how they should keep it going, and we should not let it fail. None of the stores in the community, none of the people in the community. We're trying to keep the history going.
Orange Mound. I believe this is going to be a great opportunity for me and many. I am depicting Alice Beggins. She purchased the first land in Orange Mound. She was the first buyer. I hope people walk away with knowledge about Orange Mound, because many people don't know that the history is important.
You'll hear the music, you'll see singing, dancing, all of the different sounds that you would find in Orange Mound.